Haas VF2B, serial number 46219. It's new in 2005. Has a Haas CNC control. Also is equipped with a Haas rotary table, a model HRT 210. Also have a 20-position tool changer, 2-speed, headstock up to 7,500 RPM. Start in the low range, that's 1,000 RPM. Increase the speed. Shifts, that's 2,500. That's 6,500. In the high range, again, 7,500 being max. The machine also has programmable coolant. Do a tool change. Alright, we'll jog the axes. That's your Z-axis. Nice and quiet. Your X-axis. Also nice and quiet. Your Y. And that's your A-axis for the rotary table. The machine also has a chip auger. Also comes with a coolant system. This machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.